Hi, welcome back to Fabulous Chef Ellie. I know it's been a long time, but today we're cooking frozen lemonade. First, put all the ice in here. That is 2 cups of ice.
Yes.
Next, put off 1/4 water. And then you put, how much is this?
1/2.
1/2 lemon juice. I should probably do it over there.
You got it.
Hotel. And then 1/4 of a cup honey. I think this will be a yummy recipe. This is sugar sticky.
Do you have anything you can scrape it out with?
Oh yeah, I do. Big spatulas.
Switch hands.
Switch hands.
That easier?
Oh, and the spatula looks like this. Even my hat is from my aunt. Got all ingredients. So we put it in the blender.
You got it. That's good. You can do it.
Which one?
The shake one. Was that a little loud?
It was a little loud.
Did it look like it all got crushed up?
Taste test time.
Oh my, oh my.
Matches with my
Oh, shucks. Okay, let's get another one. Another scoop.
Okay.
A spoon maybe would have been better.
I know. Yeah, now this I am better.
Can you do it?
It says Funny House the Cow episode.
Just grab it. Eat it. Would you like to try using a spoon?
Okay.
We should have gotten a different spoon, huh?
Wow, this is gonna be a big bite.
Well, don't eat it all. Just take a bite of it.
That is good.
Yeah? Do you think you'd like to have a whole cup full of that? Does it need any more sweetener or lemon juice or anything?
Yes, it needs some more sweetener.
Okay. Well, you can modify it to however you want, right? If someone wants it more sweet, they could do more honey. Or more tart, they could do more lemon, right? You want it more sweet?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and say goodbye then, okay?
Bye.
Thanks.
For watching. See you next time.